Hello everyone. Today we are introducing our high performance Dakeya Dirt e-bike Y66 motor powered by Freeboy, built for adventure and off-road riding and for rough terrains. So let's unbox our e-bike. First we need to take this off and we need to open the port. Make sure to tight this bolt full. We need to put the shock on the upside under the seat. We need to put the bolt here. Tight the bolt. So we need to remove the axle. It's very good material and it is very strong. So let's take the first put this bush here inside and put the axle. And this long bush needs to be this side. Put long bush here. And you can both wheels have left and right, so you need to make sure you need to fix on the handlebar on proper R for right, so it's for right side and it's for left side. It's this one first.